Hello and terve. Just woke up again and had a really bad news again from Finland. And this is nothing to do with EU or global politics of any kind. This is purely Finnish innovation. It's good to come up now so you can really see what's going on. Okay, it's about EVs. I don't have anything against EVs. I like especially Tesla's power and acceleration and handling. Very good, I have to say. Very easy car to push really hard. So, thing is that our communist traffic agency Traficom have been on it again, so they made this kind of directive that you can't service EVs anymore unless you have full manufacturer's guidance for that job. So technically means that if you have some battery error, one module down or two, you basically need to buy a 10,000 euro new battery now. So you can't fix that in some specialized workshop anymore unless there's a full manufacturer's guidance for that, which most of them probably not gonna give. So it's mad. It's totally mad. I mean, now they're shutting off the scene that EVs should have in the first place. I mean, we need to have body kits and interesting models and everything like that. So, and especially tuning bits and pieces and companies and specialized companies to have this maintenance. I mean, this is especially hitting low-income people who want to buy second-hand electric car. And yeah, that's how communists are helping lower-income people by squeezing them dry for real and for sure. So, kaiken voi tehdä reilummin, as SDP says. But yeah, like and subscribe and see you next video. Bye.